Uh, Good afternoon, YouTube. So today I'm going to go over how to resurface your head. This is DIY. So what you need to get yourself a flat piece of wood or a block or anything that is about the width of your head. You're going to need sandpaper. I believe I have 80 grit here. This is 80 grit. You're going to need some brake parts cleaner and some WD-40 or some lubricant. I just get the cheap stuff from Walmart. And is what you're going to do is you're going to spray your head down with the lube, spray your sandpaper down with the lube, and you're just going to go over it nice and even steady strokes all the way out, all the way back. This is going to redeck your head. Instead of taking it to a machine shop and having them do it, you can do this yourself. It actually does a really good job. Then is what you need also is you need to get a straight ruler and a feeler gauge, so whenever you do get your head surface down to where you want to be, you can check how flat your head is now, since it's probably warped. This one we're changing the head gasket on because it was leaking oil into the coolant, so we pulled the head off and we're going to resurface this one, and I will show you how. Well, my camera memory got full, but we got it all cleaned. Looks really nice. We had some drainage right now, so go ahead and wipe that off. Got her all resurfaced, and that is how you resurface a head, with just a block, some sandpaper, and to be honest, some WD-40, and you can resurface your head for maybe like $10 at the most. It takes probably like 30 minutes depending on how bad your head is, but that's how it's done.